Kids, do you know how long it is to dial with a rotary phone? I'm sure you don't. So I'm going to show you with the Strongberg Carlson 500 desk phone. And I'll show you how much faster it is with the Western Electric 2500 desk phone model with the push buttons, aka touch tone. But first, I'll tell you, you're going to listen to how long it takes to do this. Damn it.
The time is 8:47 p.m.
Alright, now, here is the Western Electric 2500 model in nice red with the touch-tone buttons. And am I the last person on age 20 to have 2 landlines? You know I am. Alright, so we're gonna do this.
The time is 8:49 p.m. The time is 8:49 p.m.
There you have it, so much faster. But I love having both examples. Thanks for watching. Good day.